Hello friends, coming on to the next session of chapter 1 class 9th। चैप्टर 1 जो है ये अपने आप में बहुत लेंथी चैप्टर है। बुक में आप देखेंगे तो बहुत छोटा सा चैप्टर दिखता है, बट इसमें बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। सो आज जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वो है रिलेटेड टू सम इंडिसेस। इंडिसेस मीन्स पावर्स। तो एक बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन आपको एग्ज़ाम में मिलने वाला है। 5 to the power of x माइनस 3 इंटू, ये जो डॉट है इसका मीनिंग है मल्टीप्लाई करने का, इंटू 3 to the power of 2x माइनस 8 इक्वल्स 225। और हमें इसमें x को फाइंड आउट करना है। तो अगर यहाँ पे आपके पास फैक्टर्स जो हैं वो 5 और 3 में हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे 225 पे भी कुछ फैक्टर्स बना देते हैं। तो इट इज़ 25 इंटू 9। 25 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 स्क्वायर, 9 को आप लिख सकते हैं 3 स्क्वायर। सो आफ्टर राइटिंग दीज फैक्टर्स, now we can compare both sides. We can compare the power of 5 on the left side with the power of 5 on the right. ये हमने कंपेयर किया है इनको, तो x का आंसर आ गया 5। अब हम x की जो यहाँ पे पावर है, 3 की जो पावर है सॉरी 2x माइनस 8, और यहाँ जो 3 की पावर है 2, इनको भी कंपेयर कर लेते हैं। तो फ्रॉम दिस 2x इज 10, यहाँ से भी x का आंसर हमारा कितना आ गया 5। लेट्स ट्राई दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन। इसमें राइट में आप देखिए तो एक ही फैक्टर है, जस्ट 5, जबकि लेफ्ट में गिवन है 2 to the power of x माइनस 5 एंड 5 to the power of x माइनस 4। अगर बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, कीप इन माइंड। एंड फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी कैन यूज अ स्मॉल डॉट, right? Now on the right hand side for 5 we can write down 5 to the power of 1, but for 2 we know that anything to the power of 0 is 1, so you can write down 2 to the power of 0, that is nothing but 1. Now we can again compare the power of 2. So x minus 5 is 0, so x is 5. And if we compare the powers of 5, so we got the x again as 5. Let's try another question. 2 to the power of x minus 7, 5 to the power of x minus 4, and on the right side we have got 1250. Now if we factorize 1250, we are going to get 2 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 4. Reason, if you remember, 625 is square of 25, that is 25 into 25 is 625, and this number is just double of 625. And for 625 you can get the factors as 5 to the power of 4, and this is 2, so 2 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 4. Now if we compare the power of 2 on both sides, x minus 7 equals 1, so x is 8, and if we compare the power of 5, we have x minus 4 equals 4. Again the value of x comes out to be 8. Fine. On the basis of again indices, we may get a question where we're given values like this one and we need to simplify this relation. So इस relation को अगर हमें simplify करना है, just we have to write down all the factors of numerator and denominator. So first of all, because the power is minus, इसको अगर हम प्लस करना चाहते हैं, we can do one thing, we can take the denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator. ऐसा करने से आपकी जो पावर है वो प्लस हो जाती है, that we know. This one can be written as 625 by 256 to the power of 1 by 4. Root of 25 is 5, and this is cube root of 64. Although we know it is 4, but still First we may write down 64 as 4 to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this one on solution will give you 4. 625 we know it is 5 to the power of 4 and 256 is 4 to the power of 4. So we have written this whole thing as 5 by 4 to the power of 4. 125 is 5 to the power of 3. 64 is 4 to the power of 3. So the whole can be written as 5 by 4 to the power of 3. Now we know that this 3 will cancel out, this 4 will cancel out. So what we are left with, 5 by 4 to the power of 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4. This work out to be 25 by 16. So we can see the LCM will be 16 because 16 is divisible by all the three values. So this will remain 25. This will multiply with 4, 20. This will also multiply with 4, 20. So the answer is 65 by 16. Okay. Another very common question which may be asked in the examination is, we're provided with two terms and both of which have got different roots. We know that this one is square root and this one is cubic root. Square root means you can write down this 3 to the power of 1 by 2 and cubic root means 5 to the power of 1 by 3. But how can we compare these two? Because we need to find out which one of these two is greater. So for that we have to find out what is the LCM of these two values. We know it is square root, so there is something 2 over here. This one is cubic root, so 3 is there, and the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we need to main 6 at the two places. Now to make 6 at this place, I need to multiply with 3. But if I multiply here by 3, so whatever value is there in the root, I need to take the power of that value also as same number, 3. In this case 3 is already there. To make 6, I need to multiply by 2. So whatever is written in the roots, I have to take the power of that one also as 2. So this will come out to be 25, 6th root of 25, and this one is 6th root of 27. Now we can very easily see that out of these two, 6th root of 27 is greater than 6th root of 25. But this one means root 3 and this one is cube root of 5. So we can say square root of 3 is greater than cubic root of 5. Let's try another question. We have to find which one is greater, 5th root of 2 or cubic root of 4. So we know that the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So we need to make 15 at this place as well as at this place. To make 15, I need to multiply here by the number 3. So I need to take the power of 2 also as 3. And to make 15 at this place, I need to multiply with 5 and take power of 4 also as 5. This works out to be 1024. So 15th root of 1024, and this works out to 15th root of 8. So we know that this value is greater than this value. So hence we can say, because we got this one from the cubic root of 4, so cubic root of 4 is greater than 5th root of 2. So let's try another question. In this question, we are going to compare three values. So if you can see there, we have 4th root of 9, square root of 5 and 6th root of 26. So the LCM of, sorry, it is not the square root, it is cubic root. So LCM of 4, 3 and 6 is 12. So to make 12 at this place, we need to multiply here with 3 and take power of 9 as 3. To make 12 at this place, we need to multiply with 4 and take power of 5 as 4. To make this one 12, we need to multiply with 2 and whatever value is there in the root, we need to take the power of that one also as 2, the same number. Now, if we see these values, cube of 9 is 729, 5 to the power of 4 is 625, square of 26 is